Filament Innovations has manufactured the second largest 3D printer in the country. They tailor 3D printers to the needs of their customers. These printers are used in many industries such as the United States Armed Forces, the medical industry, automotive industry, film production, education industry, robotics, and toy manufacturing, plus much more. All while lowering manufacturing costs and production time.
Hi, we are now standing in the second generation Poseidon 3D printer. I'm here with Mike. So what advice would you say for someone like me that wants to get into manufacturing?
Sure, so my advice would be to have a great work ethic and a great skill set. And for work ethic and manufacturing, it's great that we're in an area here at Lehigh Valley at Bethlehem Steel. You had a bunch of hardworking Americans who went to Bethlehem Steel every day and put in honest day's labor. And that's really what we do here at Filament Innovations, kind of bring in Industry 4.0 and following back on what Bethlehem Steel did with manufacturing, we're now in Industry 4.0, which is using computerized manufacturing. So it's great that we have that connection there, and we believe we have a great work ethic similar to them. And as far as having a great skill set, I mean, if you want to be an electrician, we do wiring here. If you want to be a mechanic, we do frame building here and actually build the printers. If you want to do CAD design, you can design the printers here. If you're interested in being a scientist and doing polymers, we do a little bit of polymer research here. So having any of those focused skill sets would really help you accelerate and advance your career in Industry 4.0.
I'm Steve. I'm the Chief Production Officer here at Filament Innovations. My main job is to make sure that the printers are completed and properly assembled for the clients. That starts with assembling the printers, obtaining and gathering materials, and then assembling them and making sure they pass quality controls that we have in place.
My favorite thing about working at FI is that I get to be a part of making machines capable of being used in industrial applications, and they get to make really cool parts.
Thank you for watching. This was a great experience.